Hi, my name is Ryan from the Guarantee RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2021 Heartland North Trail 25 BHPS. It's a really nice bunkhouse trailer that's got the wider double bunks in the back. It's not super long like a lot of these are, and it has a separate bedroom up in the very front area, and it's also not super heavy, and it's also not super expensive, so it's under 40 grand. For when you're looking at a lot of this stuff nowadays, almost everything's 40 something grand for something this size and this kind of quality. North Trail's been around a long time. They're a Heartland product that we've carried for quite some time here at Guarantee. They're 2-inch thick sidewalls, so this is a true 4-season trailer with a power package on it, so it's got power stabilizer jacks, power tongue jack, power everything, and there's a bunch more stuff I'd like to show you. Follow me inside. Right when you walk in to your left, you got the 2 double bunks. So you got enough room for adults to sleep in there or children. You know, they have permission to grow a little bit because it's the bigger bunk, not the little narrow one. There's some storage down below. There's a ladder to get up. Each bunk has its own window, and it's you also have AC ducted back there and lights and electrical and everything. Your bathroom's in the rear with a good-sized shower. You have the U-shaped dinette, so you got enough to sit more than a couple people there comfortably. And it makes into a bigger bed if you need an additional extra bed. Over in the entertainment area, this specific model doesn't have a TV, but it's got the spot for the bracket. We'll get you a TV if that's something that you want. It also has a AM, FM, CD, DVD player, streaming Bluetooth with speakers on the inside and the outside speakers that you can use as well. In your kitchen area, you have the nice big sink, 3-burner oven, microwave, a ton of counter space for a trailer, so on each side, and then you can use the top of your oven as well if you're not cooking on it at that time. This unit here is upgraded to the 15,000 BTU AC. It's from your standard 13,500. And in the main bedroom, you have a big sliding door and a king-size bed. It's one of the few models we carry here with a king-size bed. You have storage underneath the bed, and you also have two nice closets on each side. This is a nice unit that's not super long, it's not super expensive, and it kind of could sleep quite a few people. You have 2-inch thick sidewalls. That's one thing that makes this different than most other stuff you'll be looking at. Almost every other trailer on the market is 1.5 inches. You also have Asdel on the walls that they're using for the first time this year in the North Trail. So you have a man-made material on the wall instead of just a press board or OSB like almost everything else does. So it eliminates the chance for delamination, but it's also a much lighter material. Asdel is a pretty good material. If you haven't heard of it, you should look it up a little bit. Lance has been using it for a very long time, and I'm starting to see more and more of the stuff that we carry here is kind of switching over to that as well. It's a lighter material, like I said. It insulates better, but the main thing is it can't be damaged by water, so it makes it so you have two materials in your wall, basically, between the wall and the fiberglass, and that's aluminum and that's Asdel, and neither one can be damaged by water. There's a whole bunch of other stuff I want to show you on this trailer. Give me a call. My number is 541-525-4001. My name is Ryan from Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Talk to you soon.